Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel and PSLE Maths, question 21. John earns a commission of $2.20 for every magazine he sells. John 他每卖出一本杂志就会得到一个佣金2块2毛钱 and he also receives an additional bonus of $5 for every dozen magazines he sells. 他如果在每卖出12本会得到一个额外的奖励 bonus 5块钱5元。然后 how many magazines must he sell to earn $325? 我们一开始就要先知道 every 12 magazines include the base $2.20 times 12 $2.20 times 12 $26.40 and bonus of $5. The total amount he earned plus 5 $31.40. Now, in order to earn $325, we can see if we use 325 divided by 31.4, the result is 10 point something. So 我们知道了 for the $325 equals $31.40 times 10, because he cannot sell more than 10 sets of magazines, 10 dozens of magazines. The remaining 325 minus 31.4 times 10, 11. The remaining $11 cannot add up to a dozen, and 31.40 times 10 plus for the $11 there are 5 $2.20. So the question is to find the number of magazines he sold. 10 sets, 1 dozen, 12 magazines times 10 plus 5, 125 magazines. The answer is 125. Alright. 最重要的是我们要知道我们的每卖出12本的杂志，这是一个组合 every 12 magazines he sold. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.